universal number, the number 11. We always see it 111, 111. So what do you do when you see that number? How can you use that number, or what we call that synchronicity, to your advantage to manifest or create what you want? All right, that's what we're going to discuss today, and I'm going to show you my meditation, or my meditation that I use myself. I'm going to share it with you guys, and it really enhances my reality, and it really creates more abundance to manifest. I'm going to share it with you today, so that's what we're going to get into now. So let's talk about it. The number 111. Okay, so you and I, we are what we call carbon-based matter. So the universe is predominantly comprised of carbon. So a lot of elements too, helium, nitrogen, etc. But carbon-based matter, that's in our DNA. Okay, but the universe itself now is comprised in what we call, maybe we call it sacred geometry, mathematics, but numbers. Okay, so the universe speaks and communicates through numbers. So you can say that numbers are the DNA composition of the universe. You and I, carbon-based. Okay, but with that being said, we are all still interconnected, and we all still transfer and flow information. So the number 1111 or 111 signifies beginning, completion, and then you have the other one back in it. So you have 1 so you have beginning, completion, beginning, completion. You put them together, what do they get? Amplify. So it's a portal. So anytime you see the numbers 111, it's the universe speaking to you, letting you know that you're truly connected, that your abilities and your capabilities to create what you want is now available. So when 111 is sort of a booster, it's an amplifier. So when you see it, you must focus your thoughts or your intentions on what you want, because at that particular moment in what we call space-time, or in the present moment, a huge shift of abundance, a huge shift of energy is opened up, and you can literally manifest what you want quickly, because it boosts that, kind of say boosts the energy signal, boosts that electromagnetic force that attracts things to us, so that we can create and manipulate or master our reality. So that's the power of 111. Okay, so a lot of individuals see it and they wonder, what does it mean? It comes up, it's no coincidence. Okay, so anytime these numbers start to appear for you, it means that you are now tuned in, you're in that flux, you're now connected to that universal awakening. It's a sign that, hey, you're reaching another level of awareness, another level of higher consciousness. And that's very, very important, because that's going to put you forth now on a different plane to create. So you will be creating, and you will start to see what reality really is. The reality is just this illusion that we produce via our minds, or the brain collapses information and we see it as physical stuff. And these numbers, or these mathematics, what we call, you can call them sacred geometry, they in fact produce and bring those into fruition. All right, so here's how you can use this to your advantage. Okay, it's a very simple, I call it a trance induced meditation. Okay, you can put yourself in a trance, and here's how you do it. All right, so anytime you see the number 1111, you must stop. Okay, take a nice deep breath, and you can either close your eyes or open your eyes, doesn't matter. But if you're driving, don't do this. So if you're driving, don't close your eyes. If you see 1111 and you're driving, don't close your eyes. Okay, so you can do this. What you do is, what I do is this. So when I see the number 111, so I know that that's what we call that energy booster. So now I'm in alignment. So I got this double amplification. So whatever my desires are, now I can bring it forth and I can amplify it to manifest quickly. You can do the same. So you tap into this with this meditation. So what I do is, you can close your eyes, okay, and then you got it. When you see the number, take a nice deep breath, acknowledge it, thank you. You can say thank you, universe. Then immediately you can close your eyes and put yourself in this trance meditation, which is basically a simple visual exercise. So you must see the numbers 1-1, okay, and you have to see them in gold. See them as two gold pillars, or a gate entrance. Okay, so you see them as two gold entrance. Okay, the reason why you want to use gold is because, see, gold is an excellent conductor of energy. Gold amplifies, and when you put that in your consciousness or in your mind, it amplifies your signal. So you see these two pillars of the number 1, okay, and they're gold, and you have to see them as big or as high as possible, and in between is nothing but empty space, okay? Then what you do is you immediately now see all your desires, everything you want or you dream of, they're all coming through that portal, opening out. They're all just shooting in. A job, the business, the relationship, a windfall, anything of that sort, okay? They're all coming